Today I'll be showing you guys how do I do tomato chutney. The recipe for this tomato chutney is from my grandma. That's what my mom do and that's what I will be doing too. So I hope you guys find this delicious just like me. So let's see, how do I make the tomato chutney? To make this chutney, all you need is a big onion, 3 dried chilies, 3 garlic, 2 inch of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of urad dhal. And the main ingredient, 1.5 of tomato. Now we will be stir frying all these ingredients just before we blend them. Heat a pan and add some oil. First add the urad dhal into the pan. Let it change its color. It's time to remove this urad. Next, add the ginger, garlic, and the dried chili into the pan. Add the onion right after you remove the garlic. Let it cook as well. Then add the curry leaves. Add this chopped tomato into this onion as well. Let them cook and stir while they cook. Give it a stir, then let it cook. Let this cook in a medium flame. Now this has cooked. Let it rest and let the heat go first just before we blend it. Make sure it's not very hot when you blend it. Add half coconut into the pan. Just give it a very light stirring with minimal oil, very minimal oil. Do this process at the end so that there is a leftover oil from the onion and tomato. That is the best to do this, not at the beginning. And then mix this onion, tomato, everything into this mixture just before you blend it. Add all the mixture into the blender. Add some water, about 5 tablespoons of water, and give it a blend. Then this go into this blender. Add half cup of water and this is ready to blend now. In a pan, add some oil and the spices into it. Add your curry leaves, 2 sticks of curry leaves. Transfer the blended chutney into a bowl. Then add the last part that we into this chutney to get the aroma. This is ready to serve now with a hot, delicious, crispy thosai or idly. So that's how I do my tomato chutney. To make a healthier version of thosai, I have added the link in the description box below. Do check it out and let me know how does this chutney and the healthier version thosai combo taste. See you soon guys with more delicious, healthier food soon. Bye!